I wonder if you can hear me singing. Is this actually even working? I have no idea. Because YouTube Studio isn't telling me nada. I'm honestly spending like more time fiddling around with my stream settings than actually doing stuff, which is quite sad. I still don't know how to tell what my YouTube, because I just want to tweet out what my URL is. Can't tell. Manage broadcast is grayed out. So unable to tell. Oh, hi Carl. Sorry, I'm still unable to tell if I'm streaming or not, or what the URL is. So thanks for being there, Carl. How are you? How are you? Isn't it just the URL on the video feed, the one I posted? Unfortunately, I think YouTube kills anything that looks like a URL in the chat. So that sucks. Live. Oh, here we go. I think I just managed to see it. Now I'm gonna tweet the fact. Live stream. Oh, you can't see that. Live streaming this Sunday morning. Aiming to have a close. Aiming to integrate Auth0. Tag it. Auth0 or this one here. What is the What is the Twitter URL? Also HQ. HQ into. Ah, my lord. Go. Ta-da! Okay, okay. So I do my OBS on Mac OS for my sins, and yeah, hey Carl. I'm doing great, I think. Not really. I kind of got this sort of horrible apprehension that I need to do something. I've got this like YouTube FOMO thing going on, and I'm just getting used to OBS, and I'm trying to streamline this setup so I can do this more often actually. But I don't understand OBS integration with YouTube. Like, I don't know how to chat. I can see your chats, but how do I chat to you? Questions that I have that I haven't got the answer to. Maybe I just open up the URL. Okay. Make sure I mute. Haha. Yeah, I just open up the URL here. Make sure I mute. Okay. Okay, this works. Okay, so come along with me for a ride. I'm just going to experiment with adding authentication to this little starter project I've got going here. So, is that readable? Not really. So now you're just going to find out how bad a coder I am. I'm going to call this Go Web Dynamo Auth Starter. I just want to start afresh here. I don't want to go into a branch. Let's make this one called Auth. Is there anything at auth.database.com? I don't think so. Let's just call it auth then. Let's call it A. Is anything at A? Database.com, incidentally, by the way, is my domain that I just hinge off everything off, just so that I can test things out. I mean, everyone's got their own domain, don't they? Pop out. Oh. Well, I don't. I'm a DWM user. I don't really like pop-ups, pop-outs, or anything like that. Okay, so you can see my screen. I'm still not too sure what I'm going to call this. Naming. I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it 0. This one's going to be. I'm going to start with Z-Auth. Okay, all right. Alrighty then. Okay, this is just a serverless app. I'm just gonna deploy it. And then I'm gonna iterate on it. So while it's deploying, I'll just spin it up locally, because I prefer local development, of course. Who doesn't? Scripts, create table.sh. Okay. And then gin. Hopefully this works. Page is not working great. Error, gin bin not found. Huh? Oh, I'm using the wrong script. Okay, that is my start. And I just wanted to show you that the structure of this table is that it's got an ID retro front. It's just terminus, man. It's just terminus. The structure of this table is very simple. Is it a describe table that tells you that? I just have an ID and a created. So what I want to do is make ID instead of an IP address right now. This is just an IP address, believe it or not. It's got the crazy IPv6 thing. I want to turn that into, like, you know, kai.hendry@gmail.com. Something like that. Whoa, what's happened here? Okay, I think I just needed to do that. Maybe that will work. Okay, so let me just think again. Okay, now I need to log into Auth0. Hopefully, Auth0. Yeah, I wanted to follow this this tutorial demonstration. I think I've messed around with Auth0 before, so hopefully. Okay, log in. What is my Auth0 account? Could it be that? I don't know why it says acloudguru.auth0 there. That's a bit alarming, isn't it? Okay, I don't know what my Auth0 password is. Forgot. Check my email. Okay, now, guys, look at this bad boy. I've got one of these Stream Decks. So look at this. I can go full screen. What the hell's on my finger? Full screen. Pip. Damn, it's still something on my finger. I think it's cherry jam, by the way. Full screen. Full screen. Pip. See how there's like a nice little streaming animation there? Can you see it? And I think this kills my mic. Mic kill. Now I'm back. Ha 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 ha. How cool is that, right? Okay, now I've confused the camera. Okay, so now I'm gonna hide my email from you guys. I don't actually see the email from Auth0. This is great. Whoa, spam folder is a scary place. Still don't see an Auth0 email. Does that mean I didn't have an account with them to begin with? No Auth0 email. Okay, I'm gonna try register again then. Don't know why I need to register with them just to be able to run through there. Guess you have to. Create your account. Okay, you saw that, didn't you? You saw that. Okay, brilliant. Hold on. The joys of streaming. Are you creating this personal? I need advanced settings. I don't really, actually. Yeah, I'm using Chrome, by the way, guys. I'm sorry. Wannabe. What was I gonna say? It's just pretty much a USB keyboard, yeah. But it's got like a little graphical display, which is quite fun. I'm only using it for recording, but you can use it for like other things, like you can use it for playing sounds. I don't know if you can hear these stupid sounds. You can have like a oh my gosh, there's a bit of a delay. You can have a timer, for example. Hold on. And you see these little arrows are actually like you can just move between. You can move between menus. I think it's quite fun, don't you think? I think it's fun. Is it fun? Oh shoot, that's my timer done. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Like, hold on, I need to do an email confirmation, I think. Or do I? Still haven't got an email from Auth0. Okay, it doesn't matter. Try your login box. Oh, this is my own login box. Okay, whatever. Blah, 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 blah. Lots of stuff. Okay, I just wanted to try this thing out. Login and download sample app. Okay, let's have a look what they're gonna show me here. Oh, I can do everything locally. That's nice. Set to run the following app, I need to set the callback. Why? Set the allowed. Okay. Let's try this sample app then. Guess I need to stop this one. Make the Auth0 Sample App. What is it called again? The download? Golang 01 zip. Okay, so what do we have here? Docker build. I guess the N file has some secrets in there. It does. There's a secret or two. This is quite tricky to do a stream of this sort of stuff. Let's just go along with it. Let's just go along with this. What does the Docker file contain? Quite recent. Alpine, that's always good to see. Let's have a look at the code, or the dependencies rather. Okay, it's using Gin. I actually use a thing called Gin as the reloader, but there's also a framework called Gin. Hey, Francisco. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, but there's Go 176 here. Boom. What does the README say? Oh God, it's a bit lengthy. Is that secret the same as my secret? Don't know why it puts the secret in the README. It's a bit weird. Oh, you might have noticed that I'm using write good or something. So it tells me when people have made bad grammatical choices. If you're wondering what this red stuff is. Okay. To be honest, I don't really care if you see my secret. I'm just going to reset this afterwards. So let's just go along with this. Go along with the show. What is Docker doing? Oh, it's a Java. Oh, it's starting up DynamoDB. That's very interesting. No. Is it? Oh, I'm probably starting up Java. Okay, let me just kill. Oh, it's still building it. Oh, for Christ's sake. Okay, this is not going so well, guys. What? Pull access denied. Wait a minute, what is going on here? Why am I even pulling? I guess it's because this one failed. It's probably just because let's try that again. Yes, Golang. Who's into Golang in the house? Golang in the house? Golang in the house? Anybody? Okay, here we go. Here we go. The exec.sh could be better. They should check if the last command ran before running the next, I think. Okay, let's see if this actually works. Well, I kind of like the this coloring. It's kind of funky. Okay. Sign in. Oh, it did tell me I needed to do something, didn't it? Didn't it? It told me I had to do something here, didn't it? Oh, but basically it told me something. It told me to set the callback stuff up somewhere. And oh my God. Where do you set up the callback stuff? Yeah. They could make this a little smoother, don't you think? Oh, yeah. Quick start, yeah. I was there. Ooh. Where's go? Yes. Yep. That. Okay, yeah. Application settings. I'm lost in the Auth0 menu. Is it probably in here? Lordy Dordy. Application logo. It's just a regular web app. Allow. Okay, let's just do this. I guess I just have to do this everywhere. Absolute expiration. I mean, why didn't I make this easier? Auth0? Why? Why make it so difficult to develop locally? Domain. Why is it in the US? Can't it be in Singapore? Okay, let's try that again. Sign in. FW. De Klerk. Do I need to restart this? Am I got the right app? Let's just try that again. The match keyword is God tier. Match keyword Rust. I don't even know what that means. Still doesn't seem to be working, does it? Maybe I need to start with an incognito window or something like that. Sign in. The redirect write is not allowed in the callback URL. Yeah. What was it called? Redirect URL. Redirect. I'm still deadly confused. Does it need to be like the full thing maybe? Will that work? Callbacks must be a valid URL. That is a valid URL. And we just remove this one. Yikes. Let's try that again. Oh, this is looking better. Continue with Google. Don't have an account sign up. This is what I find a bit weird with some things, is that, is this a good UI, like to onboard a new person? Because the sign up is just tiny. And then the difference between the sign up and the sign in is just negligible. Can you create a password for me, please? Hello, Mr. And like it doesn't integrate with Chrome very well. If Chrome doesn't know to generate a URL password here. Okay, let's just create a stupid password. Oh no, it has to be really complicated. Oh my god. Oh my god. And it wants a special character. You must be joking. Oh, it's not required. And then this confusing, like, default app is requesting to access your what? What does that mean? How is this a good user experience? Access to your profile. I mean, I'm a fresh user on the system. It's asking me permissions to access my profile. I'm just gonna, I guess I picked up my gravatar from somewhere. Does that look like me? Does it look like me? Oh, cool, Derek. I'm glad you're learning. Okay, so I guess the app kind of works, whatever. Let me log out and log in again. Zero friction. Interesting. Because every time I autocomplete with Chrome, it wants to autocomplete with a different password, which is frictional. Oh, for Christ's sake. The clipboard has been... Okay, it works, okay. So what did it look like from the back-end point of view? There was a 200, a 307. What the hell is a 307? Don't even know what a 307 is. That's how good I am. Temporary redirect. And the callback, which took like half a second. It's a bit embarrassing. Half a second to log in somebody. Okay, so these 4 handlers. Why does it say 5 handlers there? Well, there's 4 handlers on that. Don't actually understand that at all. Login, callback, user. What is user? What is user? Okay, that is user. So what happens when I go there? I'm logged out. So the root thing means I'm logged out. Damn, this is horrible. This is bad. Let me have a look at the code. .env authenticator 01 router. Okay, this will split out a bit. Right. Platform authenticator web. Sorry. Platform authenticator web. Oh shit. Yeah, my telescope doesn't work unless it's a Git repo. I need to fix that one day. Need to fix that one day. Okay, let's have a look at their authenticator code. Core OS. I really like Core OS, but I don't know what's happened to it. Okay, this is where it just sets up all the .env stuff. OIDC. I mean, I assume I don't think Core OS is going anymore. It's got bought by Fedora, I guess. Is authenticated. Checks the sessions. How does it do the sessions though? How do the sessions work? Is it in memory? Don't know. Router, that must do the web stuff, right? You get stuff from the web. Gob. What is gob? Oh, it's just an encoding thing. To store custom types in your cookies, you must first register them using gob register. Never heard of it. Never heard of it. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting, Dovi. Because I didn't dare to try Cognito this morning. Root sessions. Okay, so sessions is some sort of gin thing. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's have a look at the login handler. What is Auth? Oh, that's passed in. That's passed in at the top here somewhere. I'm sorry. It's passed in router. Oh my god. How does this work again? Too many files. Middleware? Oh, Auth is here. Authenticated new passes in there. Yep. Sorry, I'm a bit slow. If you're hoping for a power exploration of someone who knows what they're doing, you're not going to find it here. Authenticator. Generate random state. Why? because the state is used here in the cookie. Then it's redirected. Okay, I think this is like a typical nonce exchange. Yeah. I think the idea is that you have some sort of random thing so that when you do a callback, you know it's from the same random thing. Okay, so that's the login. Oops, can I go back? And then I guess it goes into the callback. Yeah. Sorry. And the callback is able to recover the state in the context and then do some backend exchange. And creates a token, then verifies the token for some reason. Don't know why, I could just do it in both, but anyway. Then it does, then we kind of probably pass the authentication stage. Now we're into like authorization territory, probably. Checking the claims. Because here you can, I think the idea is that you can set claims so that, you know, you can only look at a certain path or resource or something like this. And then the access token is set. Then the profile is set. And then it's all saved into the cookie. So let's have a little look at the cookie. Let's have a little look. No, not that. Developer tools. Show me the cookie. Where are the cookies kept nowadays? Application, storage, cookies. Well, just a big base 64 encoded thing. I'm guessing this is a JWT type thing, right? Show URL decode. Okay. It's a pity that browsers can't decode these token things. I think. Am I being too demanding? Oh man. I'm just trying to figure out where the dot, I can't see the dot. So JWT is that. JW2.split on the dot. So is this not base 64 decoded, encoded or something? It looks base 64 encoded because of the double equals, I would say. The double equals padding. Okay, so that looks like a timestamp. Okay, let's move on. Let's just move on. I'm getting bored. So I'm sure so are you. Yeah, I'm already gone full retard with using Neovim and Lua. and you can find my configuration on GitHub, I'm sure. Okay, so I kind of think I know how it all works. Actually, I don't, but I'm just wondering how to incorporate this into my own code, because I don't really understand how. Yeah, how does the user handler work? Nope, keep on. I think it's obviously all through the cookie right now. Let me have a look what the application says here. Activity. First availability. What does that mean? One user. Yeah, that's correct. Ooh, graphs. Authentication. Applications. Guess I'm looking for how it puts my user into the system. User management. Here we go. Users. Where's me? I did 2 logins. View details. Oh, it sent me an email, did it? Let me check if the email came through. Oh, yes, it did. It did. So this should be no longer pending. Okay, maybe I didn't. Okay, maybe just take some time to whatever. Oh my gosh, where am I? Where was I? It wasn't pending. It's a bit slow, actually. I guess everything's in the US. Verified. Brill. Customer identity provider database. Not sure what that means. User metadata. This is what I find interesting, how it gives me the user ID. I think that's the interesting thing. So, okay, this is the use case. I have a picture that only this user is allowed to view. How do you implement that in this code? Do you go like, oops. Is authenticated, yeah. I'm not too sure where you would do that. In here? Would you do it would you check the profile here? I actually don't know. That means you I don't think I've fixed my Go imports with null ls in this machine. Why? Calling out the big guns now. Whoops. How come? Okay, now it's completing. Great. Oh God. The one thing that really bothers me here is the failure for Chrome to do the right thing. That bothers the hell out of me. Because if Chrome doesn't do the right thing here, then how is it going to do the right thing for a potential user? Oh no, it did like a Docker build. So my changes are not immediately. This sucks. Okay. So bad. I think a lot of people don't know how to get local development working with Docker. Like for example, let's have a look at this. It doesn't do a map to the current source directory, so you're expected to do a build every time you change your code. Am I gonna hurt my neck? It's not too bad. It looks bad. I'm full on. I'm just looking at the chat. That's why I'm hurting my neck, Nicholas. Don't worry about me. I'm cool. I'm actually a bit too cool. Okay, I've seen Auth0's horrible sample and crappy, what do you call it? Workflow thing that they come up. Let me think if I can do better. Can I do better? Let me just think what I want to do. I think I just want to try pull in their code. I'm going to try pull in the code into my... I'm going to implement what they have in mine. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Let's just do it then. Okay, boing, 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 boing. Why doesn't my code work any longer? Why doesn't my code? Because I can't connect to... Because I haven't set up my DynamoDB. Oh, and then I need to create the table. I always forget to do that. Is there a good tool to basically set up something and then run some script? I mean, I usually would do this in Make, but I find Make for spinning up services a bit weird. Okay, anyway. So what do we have here? We have Okay, so I need to, this is a bit messy. I need to have, let's have a look at their code again. Let's have, okay, so I need to spin up Authenticator, right? Then I need to set up a login callback user logout. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Can I do this? I haven't set up my clipboard to be multi-vim, I think. Yeah. This is what I'm happy to do. This kind of bullshit. Okay. What is this auth thing anyway? Gee. What is it? What is the object? Tell me the name of your object. I don't know why it's not like giving me anything to go on here. Usually it tells me stuff like I am returning this object. Go away. Star authenticator. Okay, whatever that means. Whatever, that looks probably correct. Yes, why don't you just run it? Just run it. Undefined authenticator. Okay, authenticator is this thing. Oh shoot. It's a different thing in this thing. There's the app. There's the authenticator. Oh, it's a struct in my thing. I think I'm just going to copy this file across. I'm just going to copy the whole thing. Dingity dang. Just keep it simple. Wait. God. I think it's just main. Could not import it. Yeah. Can you just import it now, please? Does someone know a better way? I don't really know, Larry. I'm just experimenting. I just want to better understand what the service is and all the rest of it. To be honest, I wouldn't use Auth0, I guess, with my own apps, would I? Yeah, why not? Why wouldn't I use a service? Because I don't want to trouble my parents and friends with like yet another password that they have to manage. That you kind of need to use something like Auth0 just to get all the federation to work nicely, right? I mean, that's my assumption. It could be. If there's something better than this, do let me know, guys, because I suck. Yeah, hey, and I don't really use Gin. I'm only just use actually if you notice that this project here, it doesn't use like any framework. I think I just use the standard Go library. And gin is my reloader, not the actual framework. It's got this is gin from the sample from what do you call it? Auth0, but I don't need it. Error while importing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Huh? For reals? Okay, I think it worked this time. Undefined authenticator. Okay. So authenticator is now this thing, which is just part of my own package, right? So can't I just do something like that? Undefined authenticator. Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. This is a type. This is the same package as that thing. Maybe the reload is confused. Undefined authenticator. It's here, guys. It's right here, buddy. Sorry, this is where my Hey Jared, I know Cognito is a real pain, so I'm just avoiding it for now. So I'm just trying to work out how to wait. Why doesn't this work? Undeclared name authenticator. It's in the same package. So okay, let me just go here. If I put this as record, would it complain? No, because it's right freaking there. Okay. It's Auth is right here, dude. It's right here. I don't understand. Actually, this is a bit weird because you normally have authenticator here, not there. Am I an idiot? Yeah, you would normally have it. Oh, okay, you did a new. I'm doing a new here, aren't I? New server. Yep. Okay. I can figure this out. I know Linux. I don't know why this is not working. I tell you what, I'm just gonna copy pasta. Work, damn you. Authenticator, whatever. Now can it find it? Now are you complaining? Now it's not complaining. Can someone bloody... What's it called? New... Auth0 care but not used. Yeah, I know that one. Okay, this becomes s.auth equals auth, yeah. I don't, yeah. OpenID, I think OpenID isn't as easy as you think. What is it? To be honest, I think I used to run OpenID server back in the day. But for some reason, I'm attracted to outsourcing it to Auth0 or something. I have no idea why my package was not working earlier. Okay, so now we have a server that also has this authenticator. Okay. Is it kind of working? Oh, great. No, it's not working. Unable to open env. Yo, that's because I need to copy the env file over here. Env? No, it was over here. Getting there slowly. Let's try that again. It's working great. Okay, so now we have the authenticator thing. Back to the router. Okay, these all get things. So let's try do this login handler thing. Wait, follow F12. Okay, get random state. Auth0.url. Don't know why it's not following. I thought you used to just be able to press command click and then it will just follow. Oh shit, how did we get here? Auth. Okay, anyway. Let me try and implement this. I'm going to call this list login. Login.go. Login. Sorry, I'm not used to this keyboard. And let me just copy that. Get that. So I'm just re-implementing, by the way, the just so you know, I'm just re-implementing the sample into my sort of style. So this is kind of tedious, kind of boring stuff, I'm sorry to say. And Copilot is kind of useful. I don't actually understand the session stuff. Oh, it's saving the session in June somewhere. Oh my god, how do I do this? Save state to session. Actually I don't have a session thing. What is the Gorilla session thing? Gorilla session. Yeah. I think I prefer to use Gorilla. It's been a while since I've done this though, so excuse me while I'm trying to figure this out. Nope. It happens up here somewhere. Store is not used anywhere. Why don't you just fetch it for me automatically? What does it return? Like a store cookie or something? List. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay. Oh. Oh. Store sessions and cookie store. Yeah, that's right. In the store down here, it becomes instant store. Okay. Let me go log in here. Don't need to do that one. That can be removed. I can't remember how to use the cookie store. Session save. So this one is just set as state. Do I just do something similar? Okay, whatever. S dot store dot store dot values. It's probably not like this, but anyway, just whatever. And then it does a save, right? Yep. Oh. Oh, it needs to get it out the session name first. Something like that. Can't remember how this cookie stuff works. Sorry, this should have been session values. But what does the store come into it? Where does the store? Hello, Mr. Where's the store come into it? Oh, the store is this thing. Oh, okay, I understand. Okay. No new variables. No new friends. No new friends. Okay, I think that's probably gonna hopefully work. Yeah. And then I'm going to, okay, that's the login thing, I think. Now I need to implement the callback. Maybe this is authenticated one would be good. No, I need the callback. Let's just implement this callback. Oh, it's a bit more involved. Session again, gets the state out, okay. Okay, copy login to callback.go. The callback. Callback. Okay, so the callback, it gets the session. All right, yeah, we've got the session already. Then it wants the state. Okay, gets the state. So how do we get the state? We do something like state. Wait, does it work? Okay, first we get the session back out. Okay, that's fine. Then we get the state, which is basically just a value of okay, whatever. I think it's this session.values. Yeah, I think it's that. Now we have the state. Okay. Then it wants to do this auth exchange thing with the code. Where does this code come from? Where does the code come from? Code. I guess that just must be. Oh, I just realized that this is querying the state is the same. Quite different then. This is just a path ID thing, right? Okay, well, it all ties into it. Is it form value? Get state from HTTP get state parameter. Let's see if Copilot can frickin'. Okay. If state is not equal to HTTP state. What? Don't know what's it doing there. Log dot. Yeah, that's actually quite good. Well done, Copilot. Well done. just remove this stuff from the previous handler. Okay, so first is a state check here. And then it rips out the code and does another check. Okay. The code. But also uses the context. That's just random shit, isn't it? Doesn't really matter. Let's just do this. Yes, Bob. TT's not here. Bob, you want the little, there's a little teddy bear though. TT's not here though. Where does auth come from? Okay, it comes from the authenticator. So this becomes okay, that's easy. Is it internal server error? Oh, no, according to this one, the status unauthorized. Unauthorized. Okay, moving on. What is this ID token thing? Not a clue. ID. I don't know what that is, but let's just copy it in. Come on, just autocomplete, mister. ID token declared but not used. Context.string. Sorry. I mean, failed to verify ID token. Okay, whatever. Yes, that was good. Okay, I don't know what this ID token is. Okay. I'm not sure what's going on here. Why is it setting an access token? Is that so that it can query other services? I don't know what's going on. What is session again? Yeah, session is the cookie store, I guess. And the cookie store looks like session dot values. Oh my god. Access token. Yep. Session dot values. Profile. Oh, and then we do one of those saving things. Okay, I think we implemented. Oh, sorry. I think I implemented the callback. Okay, so we got the login. We have the callback. I think we probably need this user one too because that actually tells us if the user is authenticated, right? Then this is then there's this middleware to think about too. Their example shouldn't have middleware to begin with because middleware is always kind of. Yes, Bob. Why?
In the park.
You're gonna go what?
I got to see someone in the park.
Are you gonna find him here, TT?
No.
So what are we gonna do? Okay, you can look, Bob, but I'm pretty busy here trying to get Auth0 authentication working instead of spending time with my family. No. What about playing with Winnie the Pooh?
Somewhere in the park.
Well, this is not the park. Are you going to go to the park and look?
Yeah.
Today? Okay, we go later, okay?
I will go to the park, otherwise people will see my baby.
Yeah, we need to put a name on your TT, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you've seen what Daddy's up to. Can we go?
Yes. Can we go there?
I'll have a quick. Let me have a quick look. TT's not down here. No, TT's definitely not here. Okay. We'll have to look later. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna spend.
We must follow around the house fence.
Okay. Okay, I'd rather spend time with my daughter than do this, to be honest. I just want to quickly do this. Okay, so, okay. Redirect to user. How do you do that? Yeah, just do that one. Okay, now I need to implement. I now need to implement the user handler. User handler looks like this. Do we need the state? Did we save the profile? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Profile. Do we? Yeah. Okay, let me just log the profile. It won't be a very interesting. Won't be a terribly interesting handler from the web perspective, but it will just show me on these logs what's going on. Okay, so I've got the handler, I got the callback, I got the login, I got the user. That's all I need, isn't it? This is authenticated. I haven't done. And I haven't done the logout. Okay, but I'm not gonna. I want to spend time with my kiddos. Where's my router? Okay, so ding ding. Callback. User. Login. Okay, so I got my login, I got my user, I got my callback. Let's just try it. Page is not working. Great. Why? Try again. Shoot. Maybe it thinks I'm logged in already. What have I? Okay. I think I need this is authenticated handler. Hey, River WM. No, I haven't. Is it like DWM? Been wanting to try Wayland, but I don't understand. Oh, you know what? Oh, sorry. I haven't been showing you my screen. With Wayland, there's nothing compelling for me to go to Wayland. Like, I have a tear-free desktop here. You know, XOR works just fine and dandy for me. There's no compelling reason for me to try Wayland. So, unless I'm missing something. Okay, I think I need this is authenticated handler thing going on. Okay, if there's no profile, then then it allows me to go, then it redirects me here. Don't know why. Otherwise, it goes next, and then does what? This is the worst is authenticated thing I've ever seen. Okay, so I'm missing this redirect, aren't I? I'm missing a redirect on the login. Why didn't any of you spot that? Sad. What's this Auth thing? How does this Auth thing work again? Oh, s.auth code URL state status temporary redirect. Okay, status. Oh, it might get confused. Got to be careful with these cached redirects. Okay, this should work. Okay, let's try that again. Oh shit. Yay! Did the right thing. Sorry, I need to hide this so you don't see my password, which was something beginning with E. Secure cookie, type not registered to interface. What does that mean? Okay, in the callback, it failed. But where did it fail? Because that looked fine. What does that mean? What? Okay, where is it? Sorry, I forgot even where. Where is it actually failing? Can I just? Okay, it. So it looks like maybe Gorilla Secure Cookie doesn't like the map string thing. I think. So where did we set up the state was here, wasn't it? What is the state? It's a string. Don't know why it's not telling me. Sorry, I'm not having a great. I'm not really understanding what's going on. Try that again. I actually don't know where in the code this is happening. So, I remember gob being here somewhere. So, gob. What is going on here? What? It's trying to do a commit or something? Stop that. I hate it when you like accidentally drag your mouse across Visual Studio Code and all of a sudden you got like, it moves. What's up with that? To store custom types in your cookies, you must register them using gob.register. That sucks. That's a code smell right there. Why doesn't it just have a type? What's so difficult about having a type? Now you're making secure cookie choke on me. Okay, let me just have a look at this type. Gob. Oh my lord. Maybe I didn't search for like, it's the same damn URL. Register maybe? Oh my god. I don't understand where you declare types of here. It's just strings, isn't it? Not interfaces. It's a map interface. Yeah. You saw the password. Doesn't matter. Okay. I'm not sure how to solve this. I was expecting a map string interface. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's Gob here? I mean, you just... Ay. Really? Is that... Okay, whatever. If that's what I need to do, that's what I need to do. I'll put that in my main somewhere, I guess. For real? Is that what this global? Is that what I need to do? Let's try that again. That looks good. But doesn't the user... Oh, yeah, the user... Oh, that's my profile. Yeah. Picture. I think we're done here, guys. I think I managed to shoehorn Auth into my app. So now I can play with my kids, I think. I'll take a break. I hope that was interesting to you. I'll publish the source code in the description later at some point. And I'm still not done by any means, but I think this will be okay for a session, which I have lost track of time of. If you know a simpler way of handling authentication, all that jazz, I guess I want to look next after I'm finished with exploring Auth0. I do want to have a look at Auth0. I always remember Auth0 being an alternative spelling of SOS for some reason. Oso means bear in Spanish. I want to have a look at Oso next. And then I'll just carry on learning. Okay. Just like you guys will. And please comment below if you know better. End of stream. See ya.